Hi everyone, welcome to the Higher Computing Science course. Mr. Harkins and I are delighted that so many of you have chosen the course. I mean, why wouldn't you? But yeah, it's fantastic. It's not exactly the way that we would have hoped to start the course or to introduce this, but you know, we can't do anything about it. Looks like we're in lockdown for the next few weeks, so yeah, we have never started a course like this before. We've never taught in this way before, so we'll just see how it goes, but I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. And we're starting things a little bit early as well, so we could take that as a bit of an advantage. We hope you and your family are doing well. We hope you're safe and well and things that have gone okay so far. I hope that you've had a nice time during the Easter break, just to kind of chill out a little bit as well. But now we're ready to start the course, and yeah, we probably had a couple of weeks just to kind of practice and just iron a few things out. Just as you finished off the National Fives just before we came off from Easter, just when we started the online learning. Things are obviously a wee bit more serious now. You've picked your higher classes and the courses are starting. Okay, so we need to take this seriously. We need to get work in. I'll go over what the structure of that will look like. But if you are having any problems accessing anything, do get in touch. You know, we are going to be here to answer any questions. And you know, if you're going to find it difficult to get an assignment finished, then do get in touch with us as well. We don't want to be chasing you up. We don't want to be getting in touch with heads of year and things. We'd rather, you know, you were just proactive about it. The first thing that you kind of need to do is get onto OneNote. I've posted a wee video in the assignments, and it's just called, I think it's get access to OneNote. So make sure you've done that, because everything that we're posting, any videos that we've made, any lessons, any sort of questions are going to be on there. Okay, so you need to ensure that you've got access to OneNote. Again, get in touch if you have any problems with that. The format is going to be Schoology to check what work you need to do for the week, and we're just going to give you the work at the start of the week, and then you can kind of time when you actually do it. This week I think we've set you getting access to OneNote in 2 lessons, as well as a kind of revision quiz for National 5, so just try that, see how you get on with it, and then I think you can try it a few times as well, okay, just as your own revision. Then there's 2 lessons, starting off with binary, integers, and then there's a Schoology quiz for that, and then there's a second lesson which is floating point representation, and then there's a quiz for that as well. Okay, so Schoology, OneNote, back to Schoology for your quizzes. Higher Computing Science is very similar to National 5. It has the same 4 topics in computer systems, which is what we're starting with. Usually we would start off with computer systems, but we'd probably interlace it with some software development as well. It's going to be a wee bit more tricky doing that, because not everyone's going to have Visual Studio at home. We might do a little bit of Python or online programming as well, but just kind of, we're just going to concentrate on computer systems for now. So computer systems, software development, web design and development, and software, web design, and databases. Okay, so database design and development. There's also the assignment part, remember that? It wasn't too far away long ago. But basically that's worth 31% as well. Still 8 hours in order to do it. Obviously there's a bit more to do, it's a wee bit more complex. So you kind of know how to prepare for that now as well. So that happens from the start. You use your OneNote, you collect your resources, you make sure you're as well prepared as you can be for that. I think that's about it. All your information's on Schoology initially. And like I said, we've been working through the holidays in order to make up some videos and lessons, and we're just going to continue to do that. Please get in touch if you think that things are going too quickly, or you know, if we're giving you too much or too little. If you're finding some of the things are useful but other things aren't, then you know, do let us know. In any of the assignments, you can leave a comment. And that's probably the best way to get in touch if you're finding something tricky. We can just look through all of them and then respond to those. Mr. Harkins and I would also be hoping to maybe do online clinics That might start in, just a wee while, probably not week 1, but this would give us an opportunity to all log on at the same time, maybe through an application, and you can ask us questions if you're having anything, any if any problems with any of the work, then it gives you an opportunity to ask us and we can give you a kind of live explanation rather than it being through email or a message. So hopefully that would be useful as well. So watch this space for more information on that as well. So we hope you enjoy the course. Hopefully we'll actually be teaching you normally sooner rather than later. It looks like there will be 2 classes, so Mr. Harkins will be teaching one and I will be teaching the other. So look forward to seeing you when you're actually in your class as well. So good luck with the first week of learning and lesson 1, which is binary integers. And hopefully it's not too tricky for you. If you've got the videos, you can kind of continue to watch them, go at your own pace, and then try the quizzes afterwards. That'll be the main assessment. We can have a look at that and see how you're getting on along with the OneNotes as well. Okay, all the best.